On The Blend this morning, we have back with us Frank Farmer, who's the founder and president of American Metal Roofs. Good to see you again.
Thank you.
I heard that American Metal Roofs actually just won a national award for the #1 metal roof training company in the country for the third consecutive year, right?
That is correct.
So how did American Metal Roofs get involved in training other companies?
Interesting how that happened. Back in 2000, we set up a company that was very systematic, that would help a customer make the right choices, and we didn't sacrifice anything on quality. And our growth was so rapid that by 2007, Inc. magazine recognized us as one of the fastest growing companies in the United States.
Wow.
As a result of that, companies started taking a look at us, other metal roof companies and home improvement companies, and said, maybe there's something that we can learn. And we started getting phone calls. It got so big that we started another division called Metal Roof Consulting, a separate company to be able to handle that part of our business.
Wow. So does working an installer for American Metal Roof require a lot of training?
Yes, it does. It is a craftsman that is going to put these roofs on. So we have developed courses for people that we hire, and we've developed courses now that dealers nationwide can send their people in. You might say, we're the training center for the metal roofing industry here in Michigan.
Mm-hmm.
Well, so if somebody's listening and says, hey, I might want to pursue that as a career, where would they go to do that? How would they do that?
Best thing is to go to our website, AmericanMetalRoofs.com, or just to give us a phone call at 844-METAL ROOFs.
Okay. It makes sense about the training because when you see these roofs, they're so beautiful and sometimes even kind of intricate.
Yes, they are absolutely stunning. When you put one on your house, you get to enjoy it, but your neighbors brag about these roofs for the next 15 years.
Right.
So Frank, I have a misconception, possibly. Are metal roofs more loud than regular roofs?
It is.
Because I think of rain and...
Yeah, I hear you. It is a misconception. Think of a metal roof this way. If you took a tuning fork and you wrapped it, it would ring until you touched it. Mm-hmm. Metal roofs are touching the deck before. Where that misconception comes in is in barns or in the old-fashioned trailers, where they were spanning from pieces of wood to wood, created a drum. It would the rain would hit that and vibrate, make noise.
Wow.
Makes sense. Well, if you'd like to learn more about metal roofs, we're going to put your information there on the website, AmericanMetalRoofs.com, or just give them a call at 844-METAL-ROOF.
I learned a lot today.
Yeah,
Thank you.
All right, that's all our time for now on The Morning Blend. Thanks for joining us.
Make it a great day.